Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Ecocentric. Not much happening in the garden this time of year. We don't have much snow though. It's only 6 inches, 15 centimeters. You see the Brussels sprouts still poking above the snow there. And up here we have some herbs poking above the snow. As far as inside goes, you see those tomatoes are starting to get that mottled look. They're starting to turn ripe. And let's watch them grow from early on here. Now I got a time lapse. The golden pearls, and I have fruit growing. They're right up to those lights now, so I have to raise the lights. There's 2 of the tomato plants are up close to the lights. The other ones are staying low. But I think all of them have tomatoes on them. I put the basil up in the little pots. The mammoth basil, the green one there, he's growing really well. Dark purple opal basil. They're slow, but this one over here is Thai basil, and some are growing better than others, but they're really slow. We just wait and come along. Now remember, the bug, I got 3 of those big bugs there now. Should have had the paper there earlier, but just after I did the last video, I reset the peppers, the ones I still had seed for, and Patchy F3, they're all coming up, and hot Portugal pepper, I've got a couple more coming up. So we'll see what we get. I've got a couple of the Lolo Rosa lettuce that I can put up into a pot now. But apparently the Red Express cabbage, one of them come up. See, Red Express cabbage, one of them come up back there. But the bug ate that one. So I guess my Red Express cabbage, they're older seeds, so they're no good anymore now. Guess I'll just have to throw those out. Over here we've got a beautiful little garden growing, hey? So here's my biggest radish, and most of them are swelling up. The occasional one has yet to start to swell, but I'll come back out around here again, and you can see they're all starting. So I'm going to get some radishes inside. Might be growing a lot inside. My medicinal plant is growing. The cabbage are coming right along. Now that cabbage back there that has no leaves, that didn't have any leaves when I put it there. I had the pot already with soil in. I said I'll stick that in there and see what happens. Still looks alive. The lettuce now is coming really along, hey? So it's, I think I called this Lolo Rosa lettuce in the last video, but it's early curled Simpson. And they're coming right along. Pretty soon I'll be able to have a little snack of lettuce. Looks like I killed both tomato plants here by not watering them. This is a cactus, so that's okay. I'm going to have to set this up with the wicking mat if I'm going to have plants here. That one's got a little leaf coming there. I add one, it was one of these, I had a little soft spot on it. I made some soup the other day. But all of the rest of my squash, as of yet from the outside, looks to be perfectly good shape. The few plants that I have out here still seem to be doing well. I got this one still in the pot, and I planted this one down here. I think that was after the last video. A curry plant, looking nice. Sweet marjoram and the rosemary. I've got these three under an extra layer now because it's staying, temperatures are still staying down, so they're not growing anyway. And I put the bag on looser because when I tried this before and I had the bag on tight, I noticed that you'd get mold starting inside. There's too much humidity. So like that, I figure they should stay dry enough and but yet warm enough that they won't die if the temperature outside really drops. Yeah, this is my gardening fix while the weather outside is cold and the garden is covered in snow. Hope you found it interesting. Thank you very much for watching this little video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.